New wax kit alert from Kotamu Wax. We got the wax beads, the sticks, and the star of the show, the warmer. I'm excited to try this. Let's get into it.
Hey, Reese right here with Adore Her Beauty. So what I'm doing today is I'm trying a at-home wax kit by the brand called Kotamu.
This is the consistency of one of their waxes. As you can see, it's really creamy.
Okay, so before we get into this wax, we're going to do a little patch test. We're testing consistency, we're testing durability, we're testing pliability, all the things that determine if a wax is good or not. So here we go. And you always want to do a patch test first, just to make sure it's agreeable with your skin. We're going to lift and we're going to pull. Woo! And even though it's been removed, it still has pliability. This is what you want to see when you're using a wax brand that's not quote unquote professional, meaning it requires a license to purchase. You want the wax to still have durability even after it's been set, because that means it's going to make for a much more comfortable wax. So the fact that it does have some pliability is good, which means it's just not full of plastics, right? We're going to try another little patch. The application is just smooth like butter. It's butter, baby. It's butter. Quick setting. Are we seeing this? Look at that. Look at this. It's been removed for a minute. And watch this. You see that? Still pliable. Still pliable. You don't want something that's full of plastic. Like it's hard like a nail later as soon as you apply it. Pliability. Good. Wow, look at those hairs. Based on this demo today, Kotamu, you passed the test. Seriously, 100% authentically, genuinely, I am impressed. So definitely check out Kotamu on Amazon. They have a storefront. You can purchase the wax. You can purchase the warmer. This is Reese Wright signing out.